Hey everyone, Prestito here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about KRC20. I'm going to be showing you guys a full guide on how to get started, how to navigate, since it is a bit complicated and tricky to get started in. So hopefully this video helps you guys. So what is KRC20? It was developed by Kaspa and built on the Kaspa infrastructure, of course. And basically it allows there to be tokens. It's also very scalable, which is really good. And so I'm going to be covering everything you need to know in terms of KRC20, but when it comes to wallet, exchanges, which tokens are, what I like, whether I think it's worth aping at the moment. So let's get started and jump straight into it. So as you can see on the screen, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the wallet. Obviously, that's where you need to get started. And at the moment, the most popular wallet is Kaspa wallet. You can see here on their Twitter. I always recommend you guys to go to the Twitter first and then go to the website from there, since you know it will be legit. Obviously you have to be careful to avoid scams. So you can see here kaspa.xyz. If you go to this link, you'll see here, you just click here on this side and it'll take you to the Chrome store where you can install it. You just click over there. I've already got it installed obviously, so for me it says remove, but for you it will show install, and you can install it from there. So simple as that. So once you have it installed, if I open my extension here, you'll see how it will look. It's quite a nice interface. Actually reminds me of the KRC20 wallets back in the days. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys now how to mint tokens. So this is actually really straightforward, whether you want to mint or deploy a token. You open the wallet, you click on the four dots down in the middle. It says here KRC20 mint or deploy. You click on that, it'll open a new tab from the extension. And you can see you can mint the token. You can type in the ticker and the amount that you want to mint. You can choose your fee. Obviously, you need to have Kaspa in your wallet to do that. And if you want to deploy a token, at the bottom, you'll see deploy a KRC20 token. Here you can again type the ticker, max supply, amount per mint, pre-allocation amount, and the fee. So that's all really simple and straightforward. So the next thing that you'll need to know is how to trade. So there's multiple ways in which you can trade, although none of them are so straightforward at the moment. The first way that I'm going to cover is with their Telegram bot. So if we open Telegram and check out the Kaspa bot, as you can see here, this is the actual link. Make sure you click on the right one. Don't use any scammy Telegram bots. You click on this and it will show you this once you click start. And as it says, you have to choose the one with the lowest of these. So if it shows 0, just click on the one with 0. Just makes it quicker, I believe. So I choose number 2. Then you will create your wallet, and in the drop down, if you click on menu, you'll see a whole bunch of different options where you can see your wallet address to deposit Kaspa, where you can mint also, deploy, transfer funds, send funds to another wallet, everything like that. But for the actual trading itself, you want to click on marketplace. So here it will show you the tokens that they have available. Nacho is currently the biggest token in KRC20, highest market cap. Then you have Kaspa. So let's say, for example, you want to buy Kaspa. You just click on that. It'll show you here all the offers starting from the lowest price. And it shows you so the floor price. And you can click on it and go ahead with that purchase. And then if you want to list, you can go down to my listing, and that also can be done. I'll leave the link to the bot as well, just so you guys can play it safe. Obviously, don't want to get scammed or anything. Make sure you use the right link. I'll leave that in the video description. So that covers the Telegram bot trading portion. Then let's move back to a DEX. So Change.finance is currently a DEX that supports KRC20. And to do this, you simply need to connect your Kaspa wallet to the website, and pretty much sorted. You make sure to click Kaspa chain here. You can see a list of all the chains available. Choose Kaspa, and then you choose between what they have available. Obviously they don't have all the tokens, but they do have, for example, here you can see Popcat, Pepe, and whichever coins have Bert. So you choose the one you want to trade. Let's say Popcat. It'll show you the chart. You can trade whether it's with CUSDT, but preferably with Kaspa. You select that and then you can trade. So that's the other option. And the last option is actually on DEXs. So the good thing is DEXs do support KRC20, some of them at least. For example, DogK. If you go markets, you can see it's currently trading on Albank, and some other tokens are trading on different exchanges, which you can navigate and buy through as well. And that's just a centralized exchange like you guys are all used to. Then here on cas.fyi, you can see a list of all the tokens, current market cap, holders, supply, everything like that, volume as well. You can see Nacho is obviously leading the way by quite a significant amount, huge volume, huge market cap. It's also quite an old token. And second place is Kaspa. Personally, I would not buy Nacho or Kaspa right now. And my only reasoning is I like to get in really early. For example, like KRC20, that was pre-mint even, well, during the mints. And that is as early as it gets. Here you're looking at an upside of a couple X maximum, in my opinion. And I don't think that's really so worthwhile. I mean, KRC20 can really take off. Nacho could go to $1 billion market cap, but I don't think it's so likely. If this was much lower market cap, I would be willing to get into it. I think if you are looking to get into tokens, it's worthwhile to get into the lower cap ones. And the token that I personally like is DogK. And the reasoning for that is the team is super legit. They did an airdrop, so it's very widely distributed, which is really good. You can see almost 2,000 holders. And it's trading on Albank, as I showed you guys here. Also, what's really bullish about it, it's the only token listed on CoinGecko under Kaspa ecosystem coins. You can see it's just Kaspa and then DogK. So that's obviously really pro. And it's the only dog coin on Kaspa. And as you guys know, the first dog coins tend to really perform very, very well. So I think it could do really good. For example, Nacho is the name of the cat of the co-founder or founder or something like that. And it was obviously one of the first, if not the first token. And that's why I think DogK can really do well. So that's definitely one to monitor. Also, I like some of the lower cap ones if you want to be a bit of a degen, but that is in the end just gambling. There's no really, you don't really have an edge. So I wouldn't really recommend it so much. But hopefully this video helped you guys if you do want to get involved in the Kaspa KRC20 ecosystem. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Always appreciate that. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.